Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on the topic the major amendments made in Indian Penal Code, the Code of Civil Procedure, the Code of Criminal Procedure and Indian Evidence Act. So let's talk about Indian Penal Code first. What is the most latest amendment made in IPC? The latest amendment made in IPC is of section 376, which is punishment for rape. So the minimum punishment for rape of a woman, which was earlier 7 years, is now 10 years. Rape of a girl below the age of 16 will carry the minimum period of 20 years, which can be extended to life imprisonment. Now, unlike earlier, now the rape of a girl below the age of 12 will carry minimum punishment of 20 years, which can be extended to life imprisonment or capital punishment, which is under section 376 subclause AB. In case of gang rape of a girl below the age of 16 years, the punishment will be life sentence, which is in section 376 DA. In case of gang rape of a girl below the age of 12 years, the punishment will be life sentence or death, which is in section 376 DB. Provisions regarding to the fine of to be payable to the victim has also been added to the amendment. This fine should be just and reasonable, which could meet the medical expenses and rehabilitation of the victim. Section 376 DA and section 376 DB are thus the extensions of section 376 D, that is gang rape. Further, an amendment to section 376 E, which is punishment for repeat offenders, has also been made under section 376 AB. Section 376 DA and section 376 DB. They have also been added along with section 376. Section 376A and 376D have now been added in 376. That is, whoever has been previously convicted of an offence punishable under section 376 or section 376A or section 376B or 376D or 376DA and 376DB and is subsequently convicted for an offence punishable under any of the said sections shall be punished with imprisonment for life, which shall mean imprisonment for the remainder of the person's natural life or with death.